My little chihuahua is stuck in my head. Oh, I like her belly scratching. She goes, ah, that feels so good. Arr. She's a chihuahua. She says, arr. Hi, Noel.
Ow! Stop! Stop! It's so bad. Your fucking leg kicks. Oh my
Sharpie! Sharpie!
That was my eye ball. How did this even happen?
I don't know.
How did she take my spot on the camera? Oh my god. You look like a man with your
Duh.
hair in front of your face. Look at that.
What's up?
It's the
Hold
grudge.
on.
Oh my god.
Cousin it.
I'm sorry, what was that? Oh my god.